We snuck out of the Cultivate conference to head over here to Franklin Park Conservatory, and joining me is Chase Williams, who is the horticulture manager here, and it's a beautiful garden.
It is.
Tell us a little bit about Franklin Park.
Yeah, welcome. Franklin Park is an 88-acre park that sits just east of the downtown area, and we have a lot of different conservatories here, gardens throughout. The Palm House, Show House, original 1890s.
Okay.
So we have some historic
It's beautiful.
conservatories here too, as well as some modern ones as well.
And you have a couple of different rooms to the conservatories,
yes,
right?
Yep. So we have areas that represent different areas in the world. So we have a Pacific Islands biome, we have a Himalayan biome, a rainforest, and a desert. So you kind of get all of the different plant palette here when you come to visit.
Okay, and then outside here, beautiful grounds that you've got. Tell us a little bit about some of the gardens that we're going to see outside here.
Yep, so we're standing on our Grand Mallway. This is kind of a formal garden with lots of different plantings throughout. We also have out here our Paul Bussey Garden Railway, and that runs throughout the year and into the early winter. It's a really cool exhibition that we have. It's all handmade, all natural materials that make up these miniature houses and all of the different minis throughout the railway there.
They're beautiful. You've got them going overhead.
They're everywhere. You got to look all around to make sure you don't miss one.
Yeah, absolutely. And then there's also a similar style of the arches over here. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, so again, Paul Bussey studio built these arches that are representing each individual season. So as you walk through, you'll see the seasons change from one area to the other. Again, all natural materials, very neat to walk through with an immersive experience with water and sound and all of the colors on the arches.
Okay, and I know you've got a busy children's garden going on. There's a lot of camps over there, kind of noisy today. But tell us a little bit about that.
Well, it's about 1:30. They say that nap time's around 2, so it might be quieting down a little bit at this point. But yes, we have our children's garden built in 2018. Scott's Miracle-Gro Foundation Children's Garden, and there's a lot of different experiences you can have in there. It's a garden of discovery around every corner. It's really designed beautifully, and it's a space for not only kids but adults alike. It's a really nice garden to visit and see and get a little respite and hear the kids playing and having fun. Yeah,
and so all of this is sort of in the paid experience, right? And
yes.
But you have so much outside of that. Can you tell us a little bit about outside the fence area?
Yes, so like I said, we sit on an 88-acre park. And part of it we own, and then other part is City of Columbus, so the Parks and Recreation. There is a large city park, just like you would see in a kind of arboretum setting. There's a set of waterfalls and lakes out in the western part of the park, as well as a community garden campus with a lot of different demonstration gardens out there, but also plots that people rent out, and then they grow their own fruits and veggies out of there.
And I think we're going to go visit your community garden next. But before we leave, can you tell us, if somebody wants to come visit Franklin Park, where can they find more information?
Yeah, check out our website. It's updated with all of the different hours and evening hours that we have, as well as our social media. We're always posting on there fun stuff.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.